20 April 2023 is a hybrid solar eclipse day. As the energy is intense and volatile, certain things will get stirred up from wounded pain or experiences. One of the obvious signs is that the person tend to feel uneasy, frustration, and angry. In Chinese metaphysics aspect, some group of people may have feel more intense in this eclipse if you have this animal sign as compared with others animal sign. So among with all these animal sign, who are the one that get the most affected? Okay, this is the answer. These are the animals that get the most impact during the solar eclipse. The first one would be the rabbit. So example, you were born within this month or the hour, which means you will have a rabbit in your chart. For rabbit person, you are facing challenges. So it's either the physical or emotionally pain might stir up your inner peace. Avoid reckless actions and be cautious. Expect some unexpected things happen. When there is an opportunity come, just say yes. And also take care of your health, especially your upper body part. The second one would be the monkey. Example, if you're born within this month or the hour. If you have monkey in your chart, your stress level and your frustrations is increased. You might experience with more drama surrounding. So it's better to stay focused on your work and remain calm. Try to find a way to release your stress. And if you have horse in your chart, example, if you are born within this month or the hour, you will notice that a lot of demand or require you to put more effort. Hence, you will feel more tired. Your job related might have some changes, such as your job role or your company direction change. So try to be focused on your collaboration work with effectively with your management or stakeholder, and also take care of your health. The fourth one would be the tiger. If you born within this month or the hour, somehow this hybrid solar eclipse make you feel like you wanted to spend more, or your expenses is increased. For the job related about the documentation or the paperwork, best to have a soft copy as a backup, or read carefully on those authority or the legal document. Do take care of your elders at home and might have an unexpected financial gain or extra bonus or some token. And the last animal sign affected in this eclipse would be the dragon. Example, if you're born within this month or the hour, which means that you have a dragon in your chart. And somehow you will notice that people start to noticing you, and there will be have an opportunity for you to meet up a new people, new network to expand your social circle. Somehow certain things may require you to extra spending, such as penalty due to the legal issue or related about the document submission issue. I hope you like my sharing today. If you need Chinese metaphysics consult, such as personalized reading for your wealth, career, relationship, or feng shui assessment of your home or office, or you wanted to find out more detail, to reach out to me on via TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube to schedule a consultation. I also have this Desire Manifestation virtual workshop on 29 April 2023. The detailed link information is provided under the comment below. Do follow me for more tips and advice, and don't forget, share this video for someone that you care for benefit as well. Thanks for watching.